Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds basically for the watch to turn off. And after the screen goes black, you can keep holding it for a couple more seconds, and at this point the watch should be turned off. As you can see, when we press any buttons, nothing happens. Okay, so after the watch turns off, wait a second or two, and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the light button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. Like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.